A pregnant cow dream explanation. If this seen in the dream, then a prosperous year is to be expected, a year full of baraka and blessings. This is sure to happen. Seeing one's wife with a beard, she will never become pregnant. If she already has a boy, the latter will prevail over his family. A woman dreaming that she is disguised, looks like, or behaves like a man, good or bad fortune and fear, depending on the condition of her clothes. A woman dreaming that she has a penis or a beard. 1. If married, she will divorce. 2. More power for whoever is supporting her. 3. She is dominating her husband and retaliates to any reproach on his part, especially if in the dream she is dressed like a man. 4. If pregnant, she will give birth to a male child. 5. If she is not pregnant but already has a boy, the latter will become the master of his folk. 6. If she is neither pregnant nor the mother of a boy, she will never have children in view of her masculinity. 7. It could also indicate that she is a lesbian who uses her clitoris as men do their phallus in making love to the opposite sex. 8. If she is not a lesbian, is not married, and has never conceived, she will get married. A pregnant woman introducing her penis in her anus will have an abortion. A boy under the age of puberty being pregnant, a reference to his father. A pregnant woman. 1. Her wealth will increase, commensurate with the size of her belly. 2. She will persevere till she makes the money she wants, which will grow constantly. She will be proud of her achievements and highly dignified and praised. 3. Trouble, unhappiness, worries, and concealed matters. A girl under the age of puberty being pregnant, a reference to her mother. A maiden getting pregnant. 1. Bitter events will occur to her family because of her. 2. Evil, like a robbery or a fire, at her place. 3. She will be possessed by a demon. 4. The clothes made or given to her on the occasion of her wedding will not suit her or will not be to her liking. 5. She will be wedded to an incapable person. 6. She will be deflowered before marriage and hence stay single for a long time. 7. She will get married. A single woman dreaming of being pregnant will get married. An old woman being pregnant. 1. A reference to an arsenal or an arms cache.
2. A reference to unemployment.
3. Fertility after drought. A pregnant animal, especially a good and useful one, benefits and welfare. A sterile woman or a bull being pregnant. A year characterized by drought, barrenness, intrigues, and evil brought about by bandits and atheists. If, afterward, a frightening or ferocious animal is born, it means that evil, misery, fear, or worries will disappear. However, generally speaking, pregnancy in a dream also could mean prosperity and material success. The extent of wealth is measured by the number of months of such pregnancy and the size of one's growth in the dream. This is true whether it is a man or a woman in the dream. If a young boy who is under the age of puberty sees himself pregnant in a dream, it represents his father, and if a young girl who is under the age of menstruation sees herself pregnant, then it represents her mother. If a man sees his wife pregnant in a dream, it reflects his desire for material success. In a dream, a beau means travels, a brother, a wife, a son, or closeness to someone. A covered beau in a dream means that one's wife is pregnant. If a pregnant woman hands a man a beau in a dream, it means that she will conceive a girl from him. If a pregnant woman hands her husband a beau in a dream, it means that she will deliver a boy. Stretching the strings of a bow in a dream means longevity. Stretching it without an arrow in a dream means planning to travel. A broken bow in a dream signifies the death of a brother, a business partner, or a son. A bow is broken bow in a dream means that an accident may cause the hand of a brother or a business partner to fracture. If one sees his pregnant wife delivering a baby boy in a dream, it means that she will give birth to a girl, and the opposite may be true, except if it is common for the person in the dream to experience in wakefulness what he sees in his dream. If one sees himself delivering a baby from his mouth in a dream, it means his death, or it could mean that he will use poised and pleasant words in a conversation with someone he is careful not to offend. If a man gives birth to a baby boy in a dream, it means that he will carry a heavy burden, then escape from it, or it could mean that he will vanquish his enemy, or it could mean that he may escape from a treacherous woman. If a pregnant woman sees herself delivering a child in a dream, though having not had sexual intercourse with her husband, it means that she will discover a hidden treasure. A pregnant animal in a dream denotes benefits or profits. Also, see carrying someone, delivering a baby, transformation. In a dream, cheese represents a marriage contract if one is unmarried, a child to a pregnant woman, or prosperity and longevity. If an opponent sees cheese in his dream, it means cowardice and disdain to face his adversary. It is also said that cheese suggests a period of humiliation or misery. If a pregnant woman sees any byproduct of milk in her dream, it suggests the nearing delivery of her child. If a woman sees herself transformed into a man, or if she grows a beard in a dream, it means that she will re-establish her connection with a missing child as a man in the dream, and if she is pregnant, it means that she will beget a son who may die in his early youth. But if she is not pregnant, it means that she is no longer fertile. If one sees himself flying with wings in a dream, it means travels. If one sees himself transformed into a wooden staff in a dream, it represents his insolence. If one sees himself transformed into an iron rod in a dream, it means longevity. If one's wife is pregnant, it means that she will bear a child who resembles his father. If one's wife is pregnant, and if he sees himself holding the Torah in a dream, it means that she will beget a daughter, for the gender of the word Torah is feminine. It also means that he will mix with evil companions. Similar interpretations are given to carrying other scriptures. To see the Torah, or the Evangel, or the Gospel in a dream is as though one has seen Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because his name, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is mentioned in all three of them. It could also mean betrayal, negating a covenant, or desiring what is shoddy. A pregnant cow. A hopefully fertile year, or the dreamer's wife will become pregnant.